In many parts of the world, transportation is undergoing a green transformation. Hybrid, electric, and hydrogen-powered vehicles, including buses, trains, and trucks, are cutting emissions and cleaning up the air. From 2013 to 2023, the number of electric vehicles surged from 390,000 to 40 million. Railways are also going green, with 75% of passenger rail now electric, making electricity the dominant fuel for greener transport. While roads are becoming greener, shipping remains a major contributor to climate change, accounting for nearly 3% of global greenhouse gas emissions, as ships still rely heavily on fossil fuels. So, why don't ships run on electricity? The answer lies in the enormous scale of the vessels and their energy demands. Current batteries lack the energy density needed for long-distance naval travel, which means for a battery to propel such huge ships across oceans, it would need to be too large to even fit on the vessel. And smaller batteries would need frequent recharging, and the infrastructure for doing so at sea doesn't exist. So, for long-distance ocean travel, the cost of running ships on electricity is far too high and impractical with today's technology. Although some small boats are going electric, it will take time for the leviathans that deliver goods and energy between continents to make the switch. Then, how will we be able to develop green ships? One possible fuel solution is ammonia. It doesn't release carbon when burned, is widely manufactured, and is already transported on ships, making the transition to using it as a fuel easier. The International Energy Agency has predicted that ammonia will power 45% of shipping by 2050. As the first step toward building greener ships, Hanwha Engine's development of dual-fuel engines that run on ammonia, natural gas, represents a significant advance in sustainable shipping. Beyond engines, low-temperature denitrification equipment is under development. This eco-friendly device breaks down nitrogen oxides into harmless water and nitrogen, removing over 90% of these pollutants. However, they still require 5 to 15% diesel as pilot fuel for ignition. This means creating a vessel with zero carbon emissions demands a fundamentally different approach. While the maritime industry is trying to develop green vessels, Hanwha is leading the way with its ultimate goal: to install hydrogen fuel cells with energy storage systems and ammonia crackers that produce onboard hydrogen as auxiliary power sources for vessels. But building clean ships is not enough. We need to create an ecosystem involving multiple layers of the shipping industry. This ecosystem is crucial because it ensures that all components, from manufacturing to operation, work harmoniously towards sustainability. By expanding its shipbuilding capabilities, from full construction to the development of green vessels, and enhancing its clean energy value chain, Hanwha is fostering a sustainable maritime ecosystem. And with continued innovation, the future of carbon-free shipping is within reach.